My brother. So
What you got,
I was watching TikTok.
Tick tock on the clock.
Do you believe trees are real?
Here we go. Last time you talked about hugging them trees. Now you concerned that trees are real? Man, move around, bro. I'm not dealing with this.
So it's this guy,
Yeah,
childhood house.
yeah.
He said when he was a kid that it was only one tree,
Huh.
but now there's two trees. Which I mean, I guess let's say trees
can grow.
Yeah, sure. Even though he lived in the house, he probably see it if it was growing. But tomato. So he did a measurement around the tree. So he noticed the tree was getting closer. To his house.
I don't like this story. I don't like where this is going. I really think that we should not touch this, and I really think that we should just leave that alone.
Hey, even the news covered it.
Well, the news is stupid too. I don't think we should. We're not the news. I think we need to leave this one alone.
Hey,
I think.
Hey, somebody did like a defeat about him. Like they said, whenever you start looking, it moves. Hello.